So hello friends, this is Shantanu, and in this video I am going to show you how you can install Thrive Theme Builder on your WordPress blog. Recently I have purchased a Thrive membership plan, and with that I got access all of their tools including Thrive Builder, Thrive Architect, Thrive Leads, all their tools. I am going to show you all of them. But before that, you can see that this is my blog blogninja.com, where I have installed Thrive Theme Builder and designed the entire website. Still some work is going on. I am experimenting couple of layouts, so in coming days definitely we'll see a lot of changes. You can see that there are a lot of elements I have added in the home page. So this is something looking like this, whatever I have done so far. If I have to show you a single post, it will be something like that. Okay, so the top bloggers in India, this is one of the latest posts I have published on my blog. So you can see that this entire post has been designed with Thrive Architect, and this entire layout, everything like header, this title bar, if you go to the footer section, it's a simple footer right now, there is a call to action. So these kind of things I have designed completely with the help of Thrive Theme Builder as well as Thrive Architect. At the bottom of the post I kept a table of hostings. So there are a lot of experiments I am doing right now with this theme. So so now let me show you my Thrive dashboard. So this is my Thrive dashboard. You can see that till date I was using Thrive Architect, then Focus Block theme I was using, then Thrive Lead I purchased earlier. Now recently on 18th of April I purchased Thrive membership yearly, so I paid around $228. So it's definitely, according to me, it's worth the investment, because if you go to Thrive, just click on this our products, you will see that they have Thrive Theme Builder, Architect, Quiz Builder, Thrive Leads, membership, okay, membership plugin, Thrive Ovation, plenty of tools. Yes, I have installed Thrive Comments also. So I am going to create separate tutorials on each of them in coming days, so that you'll be able to understand how exactly these tools can be used and whether they are actually useful for your blog or not. So now how to install Thrive Theme Builder. Okay, so this is a very simple thing they have come up with. So first of all, you need to go to the members home. So one thing is that they do not offer any sort of a trial version or free like a free kind of a period so that you can try any of their products. So it's completely paid. So if you want to purchase their one product, definitely you can go like do that. I did it for the last few years, but recently I moved to their membership plan. So it's very simple to install. Just you have to download this Thrive Product Manager plugin. So it's downloaded. Now in this blog I have already installed it, so I'm not going to show you here right now. So I have another domain called Hosting Browse. So this is a totally scratch website. Just now I have installed WordPress on that, and there is no content and nothing. So in that I will install the Thrive Theme Builder, and I will show you the complete tutorial, like how to activate Thrive Theme Builder and how to do just a design, just the entire basic design, how we will design the entire website. So everything I will be showing you with this another domain, another website, hostingbrowse.com. Definitely you can check my live blog blogninja.com, where I have applied a lot of things. I have created a lot of customization, but this is a total fresh one. Let me show you once again. You can see that this is a complete new website, just default WordPress theme and nothing. I have done nothing. I did no changes, no customization. Okay, so first of all, what we will do, we'll just go to plugins, add new. Just click here, plugins, add new. Upload plugin. Now we will upload the Thrive Product Manager from the dashboard, sorry, download section. Thrive Product Manager. Okay, now install it. It's very simple actually. Okay, now activate the plugin. So you can also just with the like from the length of this video you can easily understand like how much time it will actually take to design the entire website. Okay, So now it's installed. Now I will go to the product manager. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to authorize Thrive product manager, so because I am a valid customer for them. So just click log into my account. Now if you are doing it for the first time, it will ask you for email ID and password. Now my email ID and password is stored in my browser cache, so it will fetch automatically. See, and after that you will get a message like this: your account has been successfully connected. Okay, so now you can see that as I am a Thrive member, I can actually use all of their products: Leads, Widgets, Optimizer, Ultimatum, Ovation, Thrive Apprentice, Architect, Comments, Optimize. Now if you purchase only one product, let's say Thrive Architect, so in entire dashboard you will find only Thrive Architect, not the other tools will be deactivated. Now just scroll down below. So here is the new one, Thrive Theme Builders. So here with Thrive Theme Builders you will get the default theme Shapeshift. Okay, so Shapeshift is a kind of a default theme which on top of which we will do the entire design, or on top of which we will play with Thrive Theme Builder as well as Thrive Architect. If you scroll down below, just click on the legacy themes. Now these are the all old themes which Thrive is not selling right now individually. You cannot purchase these themes alone, but if you are a member, Thrive member, then definitely you will get access to use all of these themes. So these are very beautiful themes. These are very SEO friendly themes. Focus Blog is one of my favorite things. I have used it for many years. I have seen many people have used it for many years. Anyway, they have discontinued selling all of these themes individually, but again you will get access to use these themes if you are a Thrive member. At the same time you will get their updates as well. So anyway, now our purpose is to activate Thrive Theme Builder. So what we will do, we'll click on the license. We need Thrive Architect also. Now here is one thing, that if you purchase Thrive Theme Builder alone, you will not get the 100% freedom to design your entire website. Definitely you can create the entire layout, but if you want to create custom pages, then you will find some sort of a difficulties, because custom pages are still, or custom pages can be designed with the help of Thrive Architect only. So as a member, Thrive member, I am getting all the tools with the price of $228 for 1 year. So according to that, I will say that this is completely worth. Now what I have to do, I will select Thrive Architect and Thrive Shapeshift theme. So there are other plugins which definitely I am going to use in coming days. I will show you how to use them, but right now I am not going to install them. Okay, now install and license selected for 3 products. How come 3 products? Thrive Architect, Shapeshift and Thrive Theme Builder by default. So you can see that Architect, Thrive Theme Builder, Shapeshift. So it is now installing. So now from here you can start calculating the time, like how long it will take to design the entire website. It will take huge time, but the basic wizard or the basic layout we will create in a very quick time. Just let me show you in this video. So it is taking some time. By the time, just let me refresh the page. Let's see any difference. Yes, you can see that something is happening already. Some sort of design and layout has already applied. Okay, now let's go. So all the installation is done. Now go to Thrive Theme Builder dashboard. Okay, now this is something by default it came. So the site doesn't have any content. I just kept one so that I can just show you something on this first video. As I said, in the coming days, in all videos I will explain everything one by one. Okay, so now the interesting part is that with Thrive Theme Builder you will get a wizard. So just follow this wizard and design your entire website for each and every essential element. Okay, so now click on Get Started. First of all, you need to choose a logo. So right now I do not have any logo. Just choose and continue. What is your main brand color? So you can select the brand color. So you can see that by default this is something bluish color. Now the entire website, all the core colors like button colors, hyperlink colors, you can say, okay, say this kind of color. So the overall color combination will be controlled by this brand color. So right now it is this one, blue, something bluish. Let me pick this one only, keep this as default. So the next, so you will, there are some quick tips, so I don't need them. Okay, so I have picked the logo, I have picked the brand color. Now it is a header part. Now what kind of header you actually want? So now this is the interesting part. Click on this. So you will see that there are lot of available templates for headers are available, like already there. So by default it is this one. Now if you want with a search option, you can select this one. There are multiple, actually there are many already created header templates. So let me select this one. Okay, social icons, then the navigation menu, logo, search button. Perfect. Choose and continue. What is next? Next is the your footer. Okay, so you can pick the footer also. So there are also multiple templates are available. So let's say this is a black one, you can put like this, you can put like this, whatever. There are already many footer templates are available. You can put a footer with like, let's say, get in touch, like a contact button, or else let me take this one. Okay, now whatever changes we are doing, it will apply to entire website. Okay, so this is what the beauty of Thrive Theme Builder. You do not need an additional theme to design your website. So now choose and continue. Now it's the home page. Now what kind of home page you actually want? So there are ready-made templates. So you can see that my home page. So I have created a totally custom design. Okay, so if you want to create a similar design, then definitely you can do that. What you can do, you can select from these ready to use templates. Okay, now how many templates are there? Now you can say that there are not much templates available. I'm sure definitely in coming days they will be creating many more such templates, but still there are 4 to 5 templates which you can use, and on top of that you can customize the templates as per your need. So anything. So for example, let's say this one I have used on this blog actually, and then I have customized it. Now pick this one. Okay, so the template has selected. So now if you want to change something here, so you cannot do it here, because here this is, you can see these are the global settings where you are choosing the templates or the settings for the entire website. How we can change those things I will tell you after just finishing this video wizard. Okay, so let's say this is the template I have picked for the home page. Now what's next? Now what is next? Choose and continue. Now this is the single blog post template. What kind of single page like post you want? You want with sidebar or without sidebar, whatever way you want, you can actually put a template like this. See, there are already many templates. You just have to select any one of them and continue. So let me choose which one? You can see that. So let's say featured image with narrow content. So these days without sidebar templates are very popular, so you can see that. So this is one template I have picked. Okay, so now choose and continue. Blog post list. Now if you want to create a slash blog section, so how exactly it will look like? There are also a lot of templates are available. So let's say welcome to this blog. So let me choose this one. There are many more templates. Accordingly you can choose the templates. Choose and continue. Now next one is the page template. Now what kind of template you want for your pages? Okay, so again there are many types of ready to use. So let's say I'm going to pick this one. Okay, choose and continue. So I think I'm done with everything. Fine. Now it is saying activate menus on my website. Now this is a totally new site. I do not have any menus actually, so I will say continue without choosing a menu. Okay, so learn what to do next. Definitely if I click on it, it will open a video where you will find a detailed tutorial about like from Thrive theme site, like how to
You've just finished the wizard setup of your Thrive Theme Builder website.
Otherwise, you can click on preview my site. So now let's find out how exactly it is. So this is what we were doing using that wizard. You can see that in just a few minutes you are actually able to get a very beautiful design like this. Now definitely your expectation may not be exactly the same thing. You want to change things that I'm going to show you, but just let me take you through what exactly we did so far. Okay, so these are the menus. I do not have any menu right now, so I will show you in another video. So this is what we have created. You can see the home page. Now let's go to the blog section. So let's see if I write blog, what will happen. Okay, so this is the blog section. Welcome to the blog. Now these are the posts. It will come like this. So nothing is sorted, looks like, because I do not have a featured image. This is just a dummy content I have created. Let's say click on this content. So the post will look like this. This is a without sidebar post. You can see that automatically you are going to get share option also. So whatever featured image you provide, it will come here, and whatever related images, it will come here, and at the bottom you can put a call to action also. So you can see that the entire website you have designed with the help of Thrive Theme Builder in just few minutes. Now let me show you some page also. I think this is the sample page. This is the default page. I have not created any page for this website. So you can see that the pages will look like this. You can put an about, author, your name and everything. This looks really, really beautiful. Very beautiful layout, very beautiful website. Now what we can do, so now let's say you want to change the design of the home page. You want to remove something, you want to edit something, because definitely this is not my picture, this is not the like text I want to edit all these things. Now to do that you need Thrive Architect. You can see that edit with Thrive Architect. If I click on this, it will allow me to edit the entire page content. Now that's what the beauty is. So with the help of Thrive Theme Builder, we are actually designing the entire website template, and then for individual pages or individual page formats or whatever formats you are using on your blog or website, you can edit them with the help of Thrive Architect. Let's load it. Okay, fine. Okay, so now you can see that you can change anything here. Whatever you want, you can change it here. Okay. If you think that this is not the one you are expecting, you want to put something else, just click on this one, page block. You will find there are many ready to use templates are already available. So this is a very, very quick, this is a very, very useful one. You can simply create whatever kind of template you want. So let's say this is something I like, so perfect. So let's say this is a hosting related website, so searching for the, so let's say best WordPress hosting. Okay, for your blog, something I'm creating like this. So I just want to reduce the font size. Fine, just I'm showing some demo. Okay, save the work. Now again go to the home page, refresh the page. See, this is so beautiful, this is so beautiful, and the design looks really amazing. So whatever way you want, you can actually change the design, you can actually change the look and feel of all the pages. It is not like only this page. Whatever, if you want to edit your post pages, your like other template, category pages, blog pages, everything you can edit with the help of Thrive Architect. Whichever post type or category type you select, you can find the option like edit with Thrive Architect. So the video has become very long, I know that, and in this video I don't want to continue further. So I'm sure you will find this Thrive Theme Builder tutorial useful. This is just the first tutorial, or you can say the first part. In coming videos I'm going to explain each and everything. I'm going to show you more tutorials so that you can easily follow these tutorials and create a very beautiful conversion optimized website with the help of Thrive Theme Builder. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to like this video and also share this video, and also feel free to subscribe this channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you get the notification immediately. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.